welcome back to Spider's Web, and we're doing another unboxing. This time it is Judge Anderson from Judge Dredd I Am the Law skirmish game. This one is kind of like second hand. It's brand new, but it's kind of like second hand. And I don't really want to particularly go into the reasons why, but it's actually from Andy from Warlord Games. So let's have a look at the back. First off, like we usually do, I'll just hold that up so you can read what is on the back. So please feel free and pause this, and then you can read it. There you go. And there we have Judge Anderson on foot and on her bike as well. So let's have a look at what we have. Well, box is empty now, so put that to one side. We have our usual things packed for you by, and it's the same person who packed up the Judge Dredd one, so I don't need that one anymore because I've already got that name. So let's see what's in here. Right, by the same thing with the Judge Dredd one, it's how to deal with a resin kit. So put that to one side, and then we have the cards. Let's go a little bit closer so we can see these. Okay, here we are. Let's open up and see what we have. Okay, so we'll start with the Lawmaster. That's all special rules. And then we have the Lawmaster stats. And then for Armory we have side defences. Reroll cool tests against side skills. There we are. Then we have side Judge Anderson's stats, along with all special skills and whatnot. And then finally we have, this is a Big Meg, whatever that may be. Holding post, a friendly model can cuff up to 3 subdued models within 3 inches as a free action. Cuff models cannot be revived and remain subdued until the game is over, with no chance of escape. And there you are, there are the cards. So we'll pop them back in there and close that up. And now let's have a look at the mini. Okay, so that is the standing mini for Judge Anderson. Very nice. Yet again, can't see much in the way of mould lines, flashing or anything else. Perhaps this bit on her head shouldn't be there, I would assume. So let's just snip it off. That's better. Doesn't look as bad now. Yeah. I was just checking to make sure it wasn't part of the mold, and it isn't. It should have come off. So that's right. But as I said, apart from that, I can't see much more in the line of mould lines. Possibly a little bit there on the side of a foot. But that's about it really. Very nice. Okay, and then we get her base, which will sit on there like so. I'll stand on there like so. And now we get the mini herself. Now in this case she's sort of like, kind of like standing up in a seat. Let's get this once more and snip that, snip that, and snip that. That should hopefully go in now. Yep. Now that snips onto there. Now that sits into there, and then her other arm, quite obviously, attaches onto there, holding onto the handlebars of the Lawmaster. Which is, it's a 3 parts, so it's going to be a little tricky to actually show you because of the angles of things, but that goes into there, that goes on there, and then she's sort of like kind of stood up. Oh, I can't really show you without going. And then this obviously sits, oh, this obviously goes into dirt like that, and then these handlebars here fit. That gets cut off and fits into that slot there, that gets cut off, fits into that slot there. A little bit of flashing here, that's neither here nor there. Then we have some extraneous bits of resin stuck on here and on here, which I will file down properly so you can't really see it. And then let's try and get this looking half decent. So there you go, that's the Lawmaster. Oh dear. Yeah, so that's the Lawmaster, all ready for being glued. And as I say, her feet sort of like be she's sort of like standing up like that. This is going to be good because she's supposed to be able to go okay, I've just had a look on the back of the box and it looks as though she's kind of like that. But the thing is, she's supposed to be on this in a way that's where she can stand up and she can be taken off, so you don't really remove, or you don't really glue her down to it. So how she's going to stay standing on there, I don't know, but we'll find some way of doing it. But anyway, that's all there is to show you out of this box. Hopefully we'll get some more Judge Dredd stuff fairly soon. And we'll get back to painting them, because we still haven't finished the Street Gang minis yet. So we'll get back onto doing those as soon as possible. And then once they're done, who knows what we can do. We'll get some more Judge Dredd done, get the Strontium Dog done. There's plenty more we can be doing, plenty more. But as far as Judge Anderson is concerned, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Feel free to like the video, subscribe, and if you feel like helping out the channel even more, there are 2 ways to do that. There's either Patreon, or you can buy me a coffee as well. But as I said, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.